Good. Now, ref means that you are referring to another list or another column in another table. Is that okay? So this
Yeah,
is coming from another table. So which table is it coming from?
it's very good. It's coming from, it's coming from that stable.
We're in the attendance table.
It's
It's coming from
coming
the
from the
students
data
table.
table.
No, it's coming from the students table.
It's coming from the students table. Oh God.
So select from the source. Is it source?
Hey, ada my brain. Hmm. Muhammad.
Hello guys, welcome to AppSheet. You know what? Today I'm going to let my guests do the introduction. So let's go. Do the introduction.
Hi guys. Welcome to AppSheet and more. I hope you are ready for today's video because trust me, I promise it to be very exciting and very interesting. I don't know if I should introduce myself. I should leave that to Daniel to do so. But yeah,
Of course, you're the one doing the introduction, so introduce yourself.
I think you should introduce me.
You're the one who
Yes.
introduced you started the show, so introduce yourself.
No, I'm just doing your intro for you, but then introduce me, please.
All right, so guys, like your introducer said, this is AppSheet and more. And today's edition is going to be a very exciting edition because I'm taking on a very interesting task. And my lovely guest here is none other than, hey, my lovely
you
guest here is
you can
none
edit it twice.
other
I
my
can't believe
lovely
I'm beating you at your
guest.
own game. Oh my god! Even though you put me on the spot. Anyway.
Okay, my lovely guest over here is my girlfriend, Emma Wright, and today I'm going to be teaching her how to build her very first AppSheet application. All right, so welcome, Emma to AppSheet and more. You've been behind the camera or you've been behind the scenes, always watching my videos, leaving comments, and liking. And today you get to be one of my guests on today's show. So, first and foremost, let me just ask you, have you ever used AppSheet before? Have you ever heard of AppSheet before?
Of course, I've heard of AppSheet before. I mean, that's what my boyfriend does. So yeah, I've heard of AppSheets, and actually, I've used AppSheets because I think you built an app for me where I was able to keep track of my expenses. And so yes, I've heard of AppSheets and I've used AppSheet before.
Okay. So are you a coding person? Do you have any knowledge in coding, tech, all those stuff?
No, none at all.
None at all. Okay.
Yes.
So we are building applications without any knowledge in code. So today we're going to try and build a very simple application as a beginner. And the app we're going to build is an attendance tracker app. So you have an app where you have people and then you're able to track their attendance on a daily basis. Very simple, right?
Well, it does sound simple. I hope it is simple. See how it
Is
goes.
it? So let's start off. You can share your screen, start
Okay.
off with a blank Google Chrome browser, and then we'll build from there.
Right. Yeah.
Okay, so what you want to do is you want to go to just search for AppSheet. Good, great. And then now that you're in AppSheet, all you want to do is go to Google AppSheet, build apps with no code. Good. So like you were saying, you've never really built an app with AppSheet before, so this is your very first time. So what you want to do is you want to click on sign in.
So I have to create an account for this.
Sorry, come again.
I have to create an account.
Yeah,
I
you
can
can
use
just
my
sign in with
email.
your Gmail, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Hey, I have to make sure to edit this one. I'm gonna see your email.
Hmm. Probably getting weird as emails in my head.
Click confirm. Continue. Okay, allow. Good. And that's it. You are in. So you've created or you've signed into AppSheet.
AppSheet. All
Yeah,
right. That
you're
was easy.
easy peasy, right?
Guys, that's my app right there. This one. This one. Money Matters app. The one I was telling you guys about. That's my boyfriend.
So that's it. Once you do this, you've signed in, you've been able to log into AppSheet. So you see, very simple. You're able to.
Yeah.
All right. So now when you are starting with AppSheet, this is where you see all your apps. Is that okay? And
Yeah.
you see your recently used app. You see your shared with me. So when you go to shared with me, it's going to be basically what you just saw over there, right?
Okay. Yeah.
And we have owned by me. That's apps that you are going to be creating. Currently, you don't have any app, so you're going to create your first app. And then we have templates. So when you go to templates, AppSheet already has some default templates you can actually use. So simple inventory, simple survey, those sort of things. You can
Yeah, I
actually
can see.
use them. Yeah, fantastic. Okay, so we're going to create our very first app, right? And we say we want to create an attendance app. Good. So what do you think we'll do when we get here to create our first app? Any
I can
idea?
see create your first app. I'm
Okay.
assuming that
Uh-huh.
I'm assuming that that should mean something. Why does it say give them? Let me just agree,
Mm-hmm.
Explore templates.
Explore. Yeah, that's what we just talked about. Several templates you can explore.
So, okay, create your first app, build apps with rich views and access control, automate
Yeah.
reminders and updates, organize your data, and connect to other sources.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. But you see on the top,
Oh,
you
yeah,
have,
yeah, yeah, create.
yes, so create. So you click create.
Guys, clap for me.
Good. So you click on create, and then you can either create a new app or create a database, right? So
Okay.
AppSheet is
Can
built
I
on,
can I ask a question, please?
please ask a question.
You said I can either create a new app or
Yeah.
create a database. I want to know what's the difference or what are the similarities or why can I use any of them?
Okay, so first and foremost, AppSheet is a data-driven app. What that means is that it relies mainly on data that you enter, you feed it with. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Mm-hmm.
So ideally, when you're starting, you need to always start with a database. Okay,
Okay.
somewhere your data is being stored. Is that okay? Good.
Yeah.
Now, sometimes you probably already have the database, and then you just want to go on to build your app. Or sometimes you need to start off from the scratch, actually creating the store of your data. Then you build the app from it. Is that okay? Good.
Yeah.
In our case, we don't have even the data. So
Mm-hmm.
to create a database, is that okay? Good. But I wanted to show you what happens when you click on the app version, like the options they give you. Good. So I wanted to point out that when you select on app, there are three options. Start with existing data, start with templates, or start with a blank app. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Good. So what we normally like to do is to start with our existing data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, the beautiful thing about AppSheet is that AppSheets can be built on spreadsheets. So you know what spreadsheets are, right?
Yeah. Excel.
Yes, Excel is a type of spreadsheets. Google Sheets is a type of spreadsheets. Good. So we build it on those kind of spreadsheets. It was a Google product and it works very well with Google Sheets. We work with Google Sheets. Is okay, good. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a Google Sheet, okay, and then we'll build an app from it. We'll come and connect our app to it.
Okay.
That's where we will start with existing data.
Okay.
Good. So let's click on the plus button to open a new page, URL page. No, not the create. Good. And then you see where you have Gmail images. There are some 9 dots in a square. Good. Click on that. And then I want you to look for Google Sheets. Scroll down, see if you can find Google Sheets. Sheets, yeah. This is Sheets. Good. Select that. Good. And I want to click on blank spreadsheets.
Oh, I can see my work here. Guys, ignore.
So click, click on blank spreadsheet.
Oh, nostalgia.
Good. So you started a new blank spreadsheet. So what you want to do is you want to name the sheets first and foremost.
Oh God. Must we?
Good. So
Why are
it's
we?
untitled. You see untitled spreadsheet. You want to name it.
Okay.
Good. Let's call it attendance database. We're going to try and build an attendance, simple attendance app.
Wait, database is together, right?
I should think so.
Okay.
All right, good. So you have attendance database. Good. Now think of every sheet as a table. Is that okay? Good.
Mm-hmm.
So you need sheets or tables for different things to capture different kinds of data.
Okay.
Now, the first table we want to capture is the members or let's say if it's students, the students in our app. Do you get it?
Okay.
The students. So their name, their gender, their class. Do you get it?
Okay.
Good. So we're going to name sheet one members of students. Depending, do you want it to be a students database, like a students attendance app, or employees? What kind of attendance app do you want it to be?
Let's do students.
Students, right? Okay, good. So let's name it as students. That's sheet one.
This is sheet one.
Yeah. So at the bottom, the tab, we'll name it sheet one.
So students.
No, not in the cell. You see sheet one at the bottom there. Double click. Yes, students. Okay, good. So what are the kind of information you want to capture about your students?
Obviously their names.
Okay, so name, type name.
Name here.
Yeah.
Then what else? Is gender important? Doesn't the name give away the gender? Or you are saying
Yes, it
saying
does.
some names are unisex.
Yeah.
So
So
should
we
do
want to
gender.
capture gender. Yes,
Okay.
gender.
I'm guessing it's this one.
Mm-hmm.
And then age.
Mm-hmm.
And then what else?
Do you want to capture the course?
Okay, of course. I was thinking because they're in the same class, like maybe they do the same course, but okay.
Okay, is there anything else you want to capture about your students?
None. It's okay.
Good. Okay, so you have the name, gender, age, and course. So basically, anything you want to capture, you just put the headers over there. Is that
Mm-hmm.
okay? That's all
Yeah.
AppSheet needs from you. The headers and the name of the sheet, and you are good. Is
Okay.
that okay? Good? Now, after getting the table with our students list, we will need a table with their attendance. Is that okay? So we'll add another sheet, call it attendance. Good. So we want to have the date and the person. So just the person's name. So put name and then put the dates. So I will know if the person was present or not that day. Good. All right. So we have this. Let's add one more thing to students. That's picture. Is that okay? We want to get the picture of the person so it's easy for us to relate who we are talking to. You get it? So the beautiful thing about AppSheet is that you can actually take pictures and add in
That's
files.
very interesting.
Yeah.
Because
So
I
you
was
can.
wondering in my head how that's supposed to work, but wow.
Okay,
Yay,
good.
AppSheet.
So we're able to add our pictures. So now let's go back into our app.
We are going back to this one.
Yes.
Okay.
No, my apps.
Uh,
Good. And then let's go back to create. Uh-huh. And then we're going to click on start with existing data. Good. So give it a name. Why is everything caps? Are you screaming?
yeah.
Anyway, anyway.
Glad exclamation marks to
That's
get the
fine.
point across.
So you can give a category. That's not really important, but just click choose your data.
So I should exit this one.
Yeah, you don't really have to do that. So you click choose your data. Good. And then where's the data coming from? Google Sheets.
Google Sheets. I'm
Good.
not born like that. Oh, I'm not born like that.
Select your data.
Huh?
Select your data. Okay. All right. So actually what's going to happen is I'm actually going to create the app for you.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
That's all I
So
have to do. That's all I have to do.
this is all you have to do. And it's going to create the app for you. All right.
Your
Good.
school of business attendance app is ready. Okay, cool.
So just scroll down. Good. It's just going to show you app, but you see you want to customize it because the app is going to show you it's not really the best, to be frank. Click customize.
Hmm?
Click customize my app sheet or with app sheet, customize your app sheet.
I've clicked it.
And
And
nothing
then
is
this
happening.
what comes next. I've clicked it too.
Oh,
Uh-huh.
okay. Take
Let's
a
see.
while for it to reflect. All right. So you are in the app sheet editor, right?
Okay.
On your left, you can see the tabs that allows you to go through the various components of the editor. So let's start from the very top. Yeah, that's when that shows whether you've deployed the app. That means you've fully set it ready and then you made it available for people to use. You're using all the functionality that's deployed, but I've not
Okay.
deployed it. So the next button is data. When you click on that, do you remember this? Does it look familiar?
Yeah. Is
Well,
the things I put on the sheets.
good. That was
Name, gender, age, course, and picture. Yeah.
that's your data. You get it. So
Mm,
your table, your columns in the sheet is where it's what you see over here. Is that okay? So we'll
yeah.
come back to this. The next option is what we call views. So what you actually see in the app is not the data, but then it's a view. Is that okay? So when you click on views, for instance, good. You have a view called students as well. That's what the user sees. Do you get it? So you can have different views. You can have a calendar view, right? You can have a deck view. You can have a table view. There are different types of view. When we put data in, we'll play around and see how all of them looks like. Is that okay?
Okay.
Then we have actions. Actions are they are buttons that allow you.
Which one is the actions piece?
That's the next option.
Okay.
Good. So think of you see the blue button you have over there, the plus blue button,
This one.
the round plus, no, the one on the app preview on your right. Down. Good. That one. It's an add button. When you click it, click on it. When you click on it, something happens. What happened?
The table that I created comes up, and then I
A
can
form.
input there.
It gives you a form for you to input information into.
Yeah.
You get it. So that's an example of an action. Is that okay? So actions are like things that when you click on them, something happens.
Mm,
Good. So an add is an example of an action. Delete is an example of an action. Is that okay? Good.
Yes, please.
For now, those are the ones you need to know. We are just beginner, so we'll just do that, and then we'll just build up from there. Okay, good. So let's go to data. Whenever you bring in an app, the first thing you want to do is go to data. Good. And then make sure that all the tables you have in your app are showing. Are all the tables in your app showing? Sorry, in your spreadsheet showing.
Yeah.
Are you sure? How many tables did you have?
I had two. This is attendance. I'm assuming you are referring to the attendance. Hey,
So
wait, the first one.
you
I
have
created
students.
two.
Yes.
What's the name of the second one?
It's good. The second one is called attendance.
And the first one's called what?
Students.
Students. Uh-huh. But okay, yeah, so this one says students. Yeah, so this is the students table.
And where is the attendance table?
I can see, is it this one?
No. So, your sheet is called attendance database. That's the source. But then where you have students written at the top there, no, please go back to where you were at data. Yes. Where you have students, right?
Mm-hmm,
You should
mm-hmm.
also have attendance at the bottom below it. But then
What is it?
it's only showing the first sheet. What you need to do is click on the plus button.
This one.
No, not that one. Where you go to where you have students. Good. That part. So yes, add a new data. Good. Easy. So it says add the attendance table.
Okay, so why doesn't it appear automatically?
So what happens is that it always just brings the first sheet, and then you need to bring whatever sheets you want to add.
Okay.
Okay. So you click add to database. Okay, good. Okay. So now you have attendance, you have students. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Good.
But what is the okay, I've seen it.
Well, you see the attendance.
Mm,
Have you seen it?
I see it.
Yes. Good. So under students, that's what you can see on your right. So we have row number, we have name, gender, age, course, and picture.
Mm-hmm.
Is that okay? Good. Row number is the only one you didn't write. The rest of them you wrote them right yourself.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Now, AppSheet will try and guess the type, the data type. Is that okay? So for instance, name, you know the data type is a name data type. Okay. Gender is saying it's text. But then ideally, you don't want people to be typing the gender themselves. You look like you're typing. Okay. So
Yeah,
let's
pause
get,
it.
sorry, come again.
Yeah, it's me, it's me call break.
No, we
Break
don't go.
time.
No, no.
Okay,
Click on
let's
the plus
continue.
button on the preview.
Hey fam.
We are speaking English, please.
Hey, sorry. Wait, please.
Please click on the round button. Click on the round button, the round plus button.
Please, I should click on this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Good. Now, this is what I was trying to say. For name, you want them to type it out. But for gender, you don't want them to type out the gender. What do you want them to do?
Just select it.
Exactly.
Clap
So
for me.
come again.
Clap for me. Thank you. Let's
You're
continue.
welcome. Okay. So for gender, you don't want them to type it. You want them to select it. So what you want to do is you want it to have what multiple select options. Do you get it? Good. So you come to gender. You see the data type is text on your left-hand side. Good. You want to change it from text to enum.
To what?
Enum. E-N-U-M. Just type E-N
Type it way.
on your keyboard. Click on the drop down and type EN. You see it at the top there. Good. So it becomes a drop down. Easy.
Mm,
I can see it on the preview.
mm.
Good. So now you need to provide the options for the drop down. So back to where you did where they have gender, you see that there's an edit pencil. No, not there. Go back to data. Where you have gender. Click good. Now scroll down a bit. You see values. They say add.
This one.
Yes, please. So what are the genders you want to add?
I want to add male, female, and others.
Okay. So let's add male, female, and others.
Yes, please. Inclusivity.
Yeah,
Inclusive. So I should type male. Just the
yeah.
abbreviation, or just I should type male in full.
Add male, yeah. What was the abbreviation for male?
M
Oh, I see. Okay.
and F, then others.
Okay. Then add the next one. Good. Okay. Then you can click done
Where's the done?
at the top right. Good. Now, whenever you make any changes in AppSheet, for it to reflect, you need to click on save, the big blue button. Okay. Good. We are getting somewhere. You see, so
Yeah.
now we have male, female, and others. We
Mm-hmm.
have age over there, which is a number, which is fine. Course is a text. The person can type their course. And then image, they can upload their own image. Okay. So now let's try it out. Do you have any images on your laptop, by the way?
Nope.
Can you try downloading an image of someone? Maybe two people. Just open the URL and just type boy, girl, and just download.
Hmm.
So download one of them.
I don't like guinea them.
Ah, why would you say that?
Why? No, wait, me. Do these people look like students to you?
Download just one of them. Okay.
See?
Go to images. Scroll to the top. Images. Yeah. Look for one. Anyone. Just right click on it and download image. Save image. Yeah.
Hmm.
Save.
Why are you laughing?
Just select one. You can just select any of them, really.
No, no.
Why are you looking for your picture in there?
How will I find my picture in here? I'm just looking at. Hey, so what picture will I use for the others?
You just do two or three. That's fine. What picture? This guy's not serious. Okay, click save. All right, good. So you have two images. So let's go into our app. No, no, the next one. Yeah, good. So now we want to test this out. We want to start typing someone's name, age, and then we add the image. So let's go to the top. Who is Maximilian?
I just came up with a name of head.
Okay.
Why you wanted me to use your name?
Why did you use my name? Why did you use my name? Have you seen that TikTok trend where they mention a guy's name and then they mention the girlfriend mentions someone else's name and the boyfriend mentions someone else's name?
So that's why you were silently waiting.
And I was like, Lewis.
All right.
It doesn't
You should
say
have
to
just
who
you should have
Maximilian
just said I should use your name. It is not.
is. Okay,
How many old are you?
am I 30? Okay, I'm not.
Hey, how did it end up being 28? How many old are you? Please, can I ask? How many old are you? Hey, I think did you go to downloads or something?
Yeah, downloads.
I didn't even pay attention. Mm. Hi, Danielle. Danielito.
And then all you want to do is click save.
That is a save, not
And then
saving.
see by the bottom, the save on the app.
It's not.
No, no, not there. You see on the preview where you are working on. Interesting. Okay, let's do this. Let's go to where you see where the E is, the round E at the top. And there's a second one at the top there. Click on the three dots next to it, the more. And then come and zoom in or zoom out to reduce the zoom from 100%. Good. That's it. That's fine. That's fine. Click on, that's the save I wanted you to click on. Okay, so go back to students. Click on students. No, I mean on the preview app. Students on the preview app. On the preview app. On the preview app where you recorded a phone. Good. Good. Uh-huh. Good. Okay, so you've recorded your very first students. Is that okay?
Yeah.
So what we're
Yeah.
going to do is we're going to add a couple more students to it, and then this will be our students database. So you've created your very first application with a database of people. Is that okay? Now we just need to feed the app with some sample data. Do you get it? Okay, good. So let's add at least like maybe one or two people to this, and then we'll look at how we can add the attendance. So click the plus button.
Okay.
Good.
Before they will come and say, You're not going to clap for me that I'm doing it without any.
Come on. Okay, no problem. But hold on a minute. Let me just teach you something. You see, at this point, right, you've not
Mm-hmm.
provided an age, you've not provided a course,
Yeah.
but then you can go ahead and then provide a picture and save.
Mm-hmm.
You get it? Good. Now click save.
Let me see the picture first. Yep, that's actually right there.
Click save. Okay, so that someone has saved information, but they didn't provide all the things you need. Like maybe the age is important or the course is important. You get it? You see,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
some forms they make it required to provide such information.
Mm-hmm.
Good. So what you want to do is that when you see that, okay, this field, I want to make sure that people have to provide it before they save it. Like if they don't provide, they can't save it. You go to that particular column. So in this case, age. So you see the age on your left-hand side with the pencil. You click on the pencil. Good. And you scroll down. Good. So you want to come to data validity. Validity. It doesn't validity. Yes, data validity. Good. And you see over there, require. Good. So this will make sure that the person provides that information before it's saved.
So if you don't provide your age,
The app,
the data will not save on the app, right?
yes.
Okay, good.
So done. So for Action's own there, you've already done it, right? So what you can do is you
Mm-hmm.
can click on the edit button. You see where her name is? There's a dustbin and there's an edit code. You click on that. Then now you see the age, there's an asterisk beside it. If you try and save, it will ask you to provide that before you can save. So
Yeah,
now you
because I know that normally when there's an asterisk beside something you are filling, it means that is a requirement, right?
Yeah, exactly. Good. So whenever you want to whenever you want to make something a requirement, that's how you do it in AppSheet. You get it. Good. So we provide the age, provide the course, and you can save. Hmm.
Why?
I'm not saying anything.
So obviously all my students are international management students.
Okay.
So is there a way that we can make it like a default? Because obviously it's an international management attendance sheets. So is
So
there a
every,
way that we can make that international management a default so that like every student doesn't have to come in, put it
that's a
in?
very good question. So click save. I'll show you how to do that soon.
Thank you very much for the
Okay, so you click save. Good. So come to course.
guys. I hope you are taking note of everything that's happening.
So you click on edit. Yeah. You scroll down. Yeah,
If they
see
insult me, I'll insult them back.
it. Scroll down. Okay, so this time around, you want it to already be computed for them, right? So
Mm-hmm.
you go to
Auto
auto.
computes.
Yeah,
Okay.
good. Now, in the auto compute, we have different types of auto compute. We have app formula. So with app formula, you put it there, the person cannot edit it. Like the student cannot change what it is. So if you put international management in app formula, it's by default, it's stuck. They can't make an edit. But if you
Mm-hmm.
put that initial value, it will be there, but it's editable. So maybe the person is not in international management or international marketing. They can change it to something else. But with app formula is fixed. They can't, they will just see it over there. So which of the two do you want?
Since it's a strictly international management attendance sheet, you have no business coming to sign the sheet if you are not an international management student. And so
Okay.
we're going to choose the app formula.
Okay, so you click in there. Good. Now, because this time around you are typing a formula in um
I don't like where this is going.
it's simple. If you look over there, you can see you need to put in double quotation. You see text value, example text value in double quotation.
Mm,
And so you put whatever in double quotation. That's all. You know where your
so I
double
should
quotation?
I should I should type international management, but then I should put it in double quotations.
Yeah.
Okay. What the hell are you? Don't embarrass me.
Hmm. Good. Click save.
That's it.
That's it.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Then you click done. Good. So now click on the plus button to create a new one.
So with this new, I'm thinking that okay. So for Daniel, right? We haven't put in his age, we haven't put in the course. So if I should click on Daniel, is it going to be there automatically? International management, will it be there?
That's the first one we did.
Yeah.
Click on Daniel. Yeah, click on his name, not the edit button. I mean, click on the name itself. Yeah,
Yeah.
click. Yeah, just click anywhere, anywhere. Good. Now when you scroll down, you provided all those things, the first one.
Really? Oh, I
Yes.
forgot. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so go back.
I don't think you're supposed to be laughing like the way you're laughing right now, like this. So you have
Go
to do
back.
ha 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 ha.
All right, I've heard you. Go back. Okay,
Did we
good.
do the same for Grace?
Yes, we did. We just literally did all this.
Ha 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 ha.
Okay, go back. So now let's add one more person and we'll call it this one for the student database.
Hmm. We have to tread cautiously. Ha 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 ha.
You like trouble, don't you? So this is the international management.
Yeah, I see it.
I think you already said that, selected that for Grace.
Ha 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 ha. Sorry. Yeah. Hmm. Let's see radio.
English, please.
This is CD.
Okay. So basically, that's how you add students, right?
Yeah.
Now, the dustbin allows you to delete. The edit icon over there allows you to edit. And these are automatically added by AppSheet. As you create a new table, they come. So you don't really have to worry about that. Good. Now, the next thing we want to look at is our attendance. Is
Okay.
that okay? Luckily
Mhm.
for you, AppSheet went ahead to create an attendance view for you, but I think it's not fair. So what we'll do is we'll delete it and create ourselves. Okay, so at least you learn how to create that. So come to your very far left where you have attendance and students. Far left. Good. Then you see the data icon, the one I selected. No, no, no. On your left. Come. Good. That's data. The next one, come down. Good. That's views. So data is where the data is stored, and views is what you see. So click on views. Good. So you have the student view and you have the attendance view. Now I want you to click on the attendance view. No, no,
Wait,
no. You
I'm
see
lost.
on your left. No, go to where you are. Good. Click on attendance. Good. So whenever you are creating a view, right,
Mm-hmm.
there are several types of view. So we have attendance and we have students. Now go to students. Good. So currently students, you're using what you see on the right is what we call the deck view. Okay. Now come to your right hand side. There are different boxes over there. You can see some small boxes. Now select table view.
Oh, okay.
You get it. Select gallery view.
Hmm.
Do you see? Select detail view. Select card view. Card is the last one. So this one you can
Mm,
scroll and you can see them one by one. So depending on how you want, there are different views you can select from. But I think the deck view is the best or the nicest for what you're trying to do, right?
yeah.
Good. Okay, so we have the deck view over there. Good. So this is for the database. Now we're going to create another view for attendance. AppSheet has created it, but we'll delete it and create ourselves. So
So should
select,
I click on attendance?
yeah, click on the three dots on the right, just by attendance. Yes. And then delete. Good. So now let's just imagine we had only one view, which was students. Is that okay? Good. Now we're going to create a new view. Okay. So you just click. You see, and on top of students, we have primary navigation.
Yeah.
You click on the plus button beside that. Good. And then you come and select create a new view. We're going to call it attendance. So the new view is just there, but then that's what you see on your right hand side, new view. So you clear that and give it a new name.
So what name should I give it? Attendance.
Attendance. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Now, this is the view, attendance view. So where's the data for the attendance view coming from? Or where is it going to sit? When you record it, where do you want it to go and sit?
I don't understand.
So what I mean is on the app, right? You're creating a view called attendance.
Mm,
Enter information in that view. Do you want
mm.
the students table or you want to go to the attendance table? For the attendance, you record, oh, Kofi came to class today, Amma came to class today. Do you want it to go and add to the student database where you're recording their name and their age and those things? Or you want it to go into the attendance table?
Please, which one do you think is best?
I think the attendance table is best.
Then that's what we are going to do.
Yes,
Thank you.
good. So you're creating a view for this data. So you click on the next option, which is for this data. It's currently students. So you click and then you change it to attendance. Good. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Now, what type of view do you want? Let's use table. Good. Okay. So that is for that. Now you can choose where you want it to be positioned. You can say that, oh, I want it to be the first view. I want it to be the last view. I want it to be in the middle. I want it to be in the menu. The menu is what you have at the top left corner.
Menu, huh?
Yeah, the menu. And then we have what we call ref. Ref means you don't want to see it on the app. All right. So now you want to click. Now you've created a view. This is attendance view. Why are you smiling? You've created the attendance view. You created the attendance view. So now let's click on the plus button. Good. Okay. So in the attendance table, the things we are capturing currently is the name and then the date. Is that
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
So, but then we don't want to type everybody's name. Do you get it? What do you
Mm.
think we want to do?
When, like how, wait, we don't type everybody's name. We want the name to appear automatically and you take or what?
Good. So you want the name to appear like a drop down you select, right?
Mm.
Um,
So when we went to do that, we're able to get the international management to be there. That's what we're going to do again.
no. So that one is different. In this case, what we want is that we want when we come to this view, it should give us a list of all students in our app. Do you,
Mm.
do you get what I'm saying? So that we can select from the name. We don't want to type the student's name. Okay, so we'll go back to the attendance data. Do you know how to navigate to the data? On your left, far left. Good. Click that. And then you go to attendance. You have students and you have attendance. Currently, you selected students. So you go to attendance. Good. So this is a table. So this view feeds this table. Do you get it? And currently, the data type for name is name. I know it doesn't make sense. It's just name and name. But what we're going to do is we're going to change the data type. We're going to change it from name. The second name you see over there, we're going to change it from name to what we call ref, REF. REF. So just type REF. Good. Good. Now, ref means that you are referring to another list or another column in another table. Is that okay? So this
Yeah.
is coming from another table. So which table is it coming from?
It's very good. It's coming from, it's coming from the attendance table.
We're in the attendance table.
It's
It's coming from
coming
the
from the
students
data
table.
table.
No, it's coming from the students table.
It's coming from the students table. Oh God.
So select from the source. Is it source?
Hey, how did my brain? Hmm. Muhammad.
Then click done.
Hmm.
Okay. So now come to the name again in the app.
Hey,
I just wanted to see what you are doing.
I should come to where?
Where you have where you have the name.
The one.
Yes, click on it. Now this you have the list of people.
Magic, 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 magic.
Bro, you're not
Hey.
serious. Okay. So now you can select the name of the person and then you have the date. Now there's one more thing we are missing. We have the
Don't
name and
ask
the
me. Oh.
we have we have the name and the date, but then is the person present or absent?
Mhm. True,
Right?
it's true. Yes, right.
And then we don't have a column for that. So we need a column that will say that, oh, either present or absent. Okay. So what we're going to do is, and this is the last one. What we're going to do is we're going to add a column to our database. You know, our data is being stored in a spreadsheet, in a Google Sheet, right?
Yeah.
Good. So we're going to go back to our Google Sheets and then we're going to add a column called type. And then you can either select the person is present or is absent. So hold on.
Yeah,
No,
who
no,
was
no, no,
it?
no, no, hold on. Calm your horses. So you see where you are in the attendance. Madam, wait. So where you are in the attendance, I know you're in a hurry. When you're in the attendance, you see view data source. Can you see view data source?
Hey.
View data source. Hold on. So you see you have yes, you've got you've seen it. Click on that. So whenever you want to go back to your database, you don't need to look for it. You just click that. It will take you to it.
Okay, okay, okay. I get it.
Good. Now you are in the students table, but we want to come to the attendance table. Good. And then what did we say we want to do?
Want to do the present or absence
Yeah, we want to add a new column
automatically.
or type. So okay.
Yes. Eh?
So you add type, write type in column C. Enter. Good. So now you go back to your app. Good. So you've added type over there, but then it doesn't automatically pop up. Okay. So whenever you add a
Mhm.
column to a table, when you have view source, you see there's a refresh icon. You see where you have view data source. There's a data icon, and there's a refresh icon. Good. We call it regenerate schema. So you regenerate the column. So you click that. Good. So you've added type as a new column. What do you think the column data type will be?
Hmm?
The column data type.
The column data type.
Yeah, so for type, we have
It
different
will be
columns.
a it will be a like a check.
Like it will be like a select from multiple choice, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It's called an enum. So click on that drop down.
Yes. Click on way.
The drop down where you have text. You see type, beside type, you have text. Then select enum. Good. Uh-huh. Then come and click the edit, the, the pencil beside type. Good. So now you see where you have values and you have add.
Mm-hmm.
Click on that add. And what should the values be?
Prepare questions.
What are the types what types are we looking for?
Huh?
We've discussed this. What type are you looking for? Like, what two types do you want to have?
Present or absent?
Yes. So you type present, you type absent. Hey, what are you saying there? It was serious. Then you click add. Good. Yeah, done. You click done. Good. So now let's go back to our attendance and let's see how it looks like.
No. Wait.
Attendance, the app. No, 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 no. Like in our app, the actual app. No, no, no. Like the preview where you have Grace's face and co. Click
Okay.
attendance. Attendance. Good. So click on the plus button and try and record the attendance. Hold on, you need to save. When you make changes, you need to save it first at the top there. The save icon. Yeah, yes, good.
Hmm.
So you select someone's name, the date, and then present or absent. Good. Then you save. That's it. So you recorded, that's it. That's it. So you built your app. So now you have students and you have your attendance.
Do you know what I'll do, eh?
Oh
I'll
no.
run this by my lecturers, my professors, and see if they like the idea. So that will save them from coming to threaten us in class. Coming to count us and see that
You're
nobody
very
assigned for anybody in the class.
That's it. So you built your app and you can just record, select people's name and then record their attendance. And then that's all. If you click the plus button, you can add a new person and then you can record the attendance of the person. Right. So this is your database and this is your attendance. And that's it.
If
You
I want
finish.
to add, if I want to I record another attendance, I go to add
Yeah.
and select the person's name.
Mm-hmm.
The on class, but she doesn't like coming to school. This one, so absent
Mm-hmm.
and save.
Yeah.
All right.
Good. So now you have the app built, but it's on your laptop. I want you to ask me how you're going to get on your phone.
It's like you can read my mind, babe.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're going to do is now how do you share the app with people? Right?
Mm-hmm.
You see the plus button over there.
Wait, wait.
The plus button over there.
There's a lot of plus buttons on my
I
screen.
know. Hold on. I'm trying to figure out how to show you
One,
this icon.
two,
Um,
three.
good, good, good. There's one. there's one where it's a person plus a plus at the top. Look at the top icons, the very top. Good. That's share. So whenever you want to give the app to someone, you click on the share.
Hey, I hope you blare out my email that has come up.
Yes, I'll blur out your email. Your email is at several places. I have to blur it all out.
Don't forget to be one. If you,
Don't worry, I'll blur it out. Okay. So if you want to share it, you just type the person's email over there.
so who do I want to share? I'm going to share it with one of the students.
Then press enter. Good. So when you press enter, it will say that, do you want to notify the user? If you notify the user, the person will get an email. Do you get it?
Mm,
Check, I'm not a robot. Then you click send. Good. And the person will get an email invitation to use the app. Now, if you, the user, you, the creator, you want to see your app you've created, you have to download the AppSheet app from Google Play Store or App Store. So either you download from Google Play Store or you go to App Store and you download the app. And then what you want to do is when you download the app, you sign in with your email that you use to create the app. And then you see your apps over there. Yes, so you see where you have School of Business Attendance at the top left corner. It's written big. No, not there. I mean on the main screen, on your far left. Good. Click on the AppSheet icon. Good. Now, the app you've created is called Student of School of Business Attendance, right? There are three dots over there. Click on it. Why are you smiling like that? Owner is me. Oh, interesting. I see. Click on the three dots over there. Yeah. Good. And then you click on preview with device sizes. So this is what the app will look like if you are using it in a mobile view. Good. Now, the menu. You know where the menu is? The menu. Good.
hmm,
Go to App Gallery.
that's
I'm just showing you something just to explain
no,
more.
don't worry.
Good. So this is what I was trying to explain. So when you download the AppSheet app from Google Play Store for the very first time,
Mm-hmm.
and then you log in with your email, this is what you see. You see all the apps that have been shared with you. Do you get it? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Where you went to the menu side, go there again. Good. Then you go to owned by me. Apps that I own. And then that's where you find your app. You get it. So whenever you log in, that's the process. So you download the app from AppSheets from Play Store, you log in with your email you used to create, then you see your app.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you click on it, it will open your app and then you can use your app. Anyone who wants to use the app, they will receive the email. What you just did, like you shared to the email. They'll get
Mm-hmm.
a link and then they can also
So
access.
for instance, right, if my class wants to use the app, that means that everybody in the class has to get the app on their phones. And then they just
Yeah. And then you share it with them.
is there a way of tracking whether indeed they are there or not? Because if everybody's just gonna have it on their phones and then they can just um put in their attendance, students, they're not going to be truthful. Somebody is not in class, the person will go and say, oh, present. So like, is there a way that we
Yeah,
can like,
there's a way. There's a way to make sure that what they are recording, they can only record it when they're in the classroom.
but I'm guessing that's in a whole different ballroom from today,
Oh yeah,
right?
it's possible. It's not too hard. We call it geofencing.
Okay,
So
okay. Let's not get into that.
yeah, but it's possible.
All right, okay. That's what I wanted to do for today. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so that's about it. Let me come back to the meeting. That's about it. We've built our very first app. What was your experience? How was it like for you?
It was actually very nice. I felt very proud of myself. It's
Mm,
actually very simple, honestly. When you get it, the process is not anything complicated. It's very
mm,
straightforward once you know what you are doing. So I
yeah.
think yeah, it'll be very easy. If I can do it, what do I mean by if I can do it? No, but for real, like if I can do it, I think everybody else can do it. Listen, I just
Mm,
need to practice for like maybe 2 or 3 times, and then I think I'll have it at my fingertips, and it'll be very easy to create an
mm,
app owned by me on
yeah.
AppSheet.
Yeah, yeah. That's good. All right. So yeah, that's about it. So that's how you create a simple application with AppSheet. It's really not that hard. It's just straightforward, and you just have to get used to the environment. But there's still a lot of things that you can do. Action buttons, controls. Make sure that people only see the data they enter and all that. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for being our guest for this show. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Um, Babe, anything you want to add?
Um, we hope that this video will be very educative and insightful for all of you. And as always, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, just drop them down there and Daniel will attend to each and every one of you. So yeah, share it with everybody else that you think that it will be useful for. And thank you for
You need
watching.
to tell them to subscribe.
And hey, it's very important. Please subscribe, okay? Subscribe so that you don't miss a new video. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Now, can we talk about my food?
Yeah, I'm still on the recording though.
Oh.